So if you want to connect your Canva account into Google Docs, well, there is a few things, or there are a few things that you need to do here in order for you to do so. Now, if you're not aware yet, if you go to Google Docs, you actually have the option to install apps. So in order for you to do that, you want to go ahead and access a project or a document first. You want to go to extensions, go and click on add-ons, click on the get add-ons option, and in here, it should open up the search for, or the store at least, the Google Workspace Marketplace. So yeah, go to the search bar here, just type in the Canva keyword here, press enter. Wait for a while here, you should see Canva. And once you do see Canva in here, you can go and just click on the install button and agree to a few things. Now go and just click on continue here so that you can proceed with installing this. Let's go and agree to it again. And as you can see, we've just successfully installed Canva. Now you can go and click on done. And from here, you should be able to start accessing Canva in your project here. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.